You were very disrespectful to Dr. Kweku and his brand. Say na ukunu ni fidi. Now person you protect ukunu versus an institution like Dr. Kweku. Mami, say Adomah wangani top form. Not Dr. Kweku top form. Why the best suffer? A lot of people will suffer more than your husband. See my dear, some of us we will save Dr. Kweku.
I was for be a Fabashanko and Fambra at the TV. So I also met 2 year Kofi Adomah when he and Nam Sumananu or then say Brena to dry our media and so much as a watch training ceremony see ye and in your course wabo copy more our fashions and I'm so I'm a similar able to Jano. One more bonnet, bonnet, one more swa or more air chichi ye Kofi Adomah when ye air chichen, almost one more empire, Edeman no air bo empire dear. My name so I might just think of and some dear. And for air can be paying yasem get to an dear Saliman Abekasa. You name so I brought Kofi Adomah when you ekasa we no nana hema nana abna etraba or no ene Kofi Adomah when you who can just say ni chocho mucho edin se bebrena etudwa na kasa mu na hyese nani abriye pa enyasem cuz eno ena Saliman Abekasa ede afan sama odrobi a Kofi Adomah when you eyere editudwa abusia yenko ni ntin sama odrobi a Saliman edi abetudwa
Mrs. Adomah wangani oye queen mother one would expect say wo be poised when
I don't say
or kasa and as like obe comport ne ho abra o kasa ne dru baby ase ote na Adomah hene warning no say okwa sorry onyankopon hwe no ene ade no it was very aggressive. Secondly, no so was to Mr. B say Vincent Topare, CEO of Angel FM, was protecting the brand, but on no day, not all protecting life. Mama, you are very funny. Queen Mother, I am pleading to talk. Me srewo namakasa. How dare you? Mommy, how dare you say to somebody, say, or who protect a brand, now who protect a life? Brand, do you know what it means? When the number of lives say, what's our brand in him? Dr. Kweku saying, sika 110,000 Ghana cedis at the mouth. Wham, kasa ambao. Wama $40,000 kasa ambao. Who say honorable Ibrahim Mahama Emma Sikano one kasani emfam beto abonten the same way na Dr. Kweku oti ametena ha minimum no wo ya ade ho pese ode beba beto abonten but let's take say ba kulikiye ene nkofo so mu so thank you Mr. Ibrahim Mahama thank you Mr. Ibrahim Mahama then say ko page na sia the way people were insulting Dr. Kweku Otin, so what do we hear, Juba, and that one neglected one. Why did you not come out to tell the world to say, stop talking? Because Dr. Kweku Otin, a pillar, I was supporting you both financially and physically. It is a who pointing hands, yeah, make sure say the 4 hands is pointing at you. You were very disrespectful to Dr. Kweku Otin and his brand. You were very disrespectful to an institution like Dr. Kweku that feeds over 5,000 people. Say na ukunu ni fidi. Now person you protect ukunu versus an institution like Dr. Kweku. Mommy, me respect you because who you are him. But adia baby say em fa no kwa ne nda no. O se yede to ho. Adenti no meka. Adenti ne ye Dr. Kweku wo meka sa. Anche grofo se man grofo nya no. Momo feel sabu betimi 2 minutes nkofo betimi de papa no aye de aye bia na who expect say Vincent betina ho am a lifesaver, an institution that is more powerful than Adomah wangani. Sa Adomah wangani top form na Dr. Kweku top form why the best suffer? A lot of people will suffer more than your husband. See my dear, some of us we will save Dr. Kweku because we are lifesaver. A lot of people depend on him. People were trashing him. The sikano, edian wadiye, sikano, dian wadiye. Obiyama na no kasa, no person kasa nche Dr. Kweku rough. It was about him. Vincent will save Dr. Kwekwot's life more than your husband's life. Vincent will save Dr. Kwekwot's brand more than your husband's. We don't care whether your husband yare at this particular point. Because when there's one beka no kware no, one beka. Doma hene, wo ye ya no no. Ana wo kasa asem ni ade efa ne ho no. Ono de bia onye mmoa bia de boa to betimi akasa. And the way that your posture was talking to Vincent or Parry, I feel you say, well, yeah, just as I see, you own the world. Now, go be protected and no husband. That also. May the assembly. Woman, $40,000. Kasamba home. Who say, a year honorable, a year Ibrahim Mahama. Emma Sikano, one Cassanian from Betuabonting. The same way now, Dr. Kwekwot say, I'm telling her minimum. Well, yeah, dear one person, the baby to a bunting. But let's take say, Bakuli Ki. And then go for so much. Oh, thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama. Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama. Then say, who page in Asia? The way people were insulting Dr. Kwekwot thing, so what do we Juba? And that one neglected one. Why did you not come out to tell the world to say, stop talking? Because Dr. Kwekwot a pillar. I was supporting you both financially and physically. What stopped you? I will cast who save life, no. Now Vincent save a day, a brand, no. Dr. Kwekwot is a lifesaver. He has close to 5,000 people under him that he feeds, including your husband. 1 year life. He is life. He is a life giver for most people. It is a what now? Na ye tarnishing the image. Now where to me and who they need to come and speak. He said the man has given you money. Nanka people will stop the comparison. Say, and from far Ibrahim Mahama nyejuma. Na so Ibrahim Mahama na foot on the bill. So who? I said them who say when near dinner who throw shots. You know, if you were a woman enough to come out to tell people, say, Ebia papa abuame. Tikasa na mo kasa chegu na nimu aseno. Munjaya, do you think say we'll get well with? Do you think say Nkasi no will be compelled to come and sit on radio and explain the amount of money that the amount and come meka? It is a who pointing hands there. Make sure say the 4 hands is pointing at you. You were very disrespectful to Dr. Kwekwot and his brand. You were very disrespectful to an institution like Dr. Kwekwot that feeds over 5,000 people. Send na ukunu feedi. Now person you protect you versus an institution like Dr. Kwekwot. Mommy, me respect you because who you are him.
Other for not just in some out dry, Salman edit to dry. Wa bra bra Kofi Adomah weni kasan obu baby or say ye twakwan na say and fawo dan no ana say and kawo dan ya wo say kwan no etene ne de ne dan na aka enu ntino obia ka ne wo pe abusiafo meso say ma men kan for tap send emfa emma so am no na say wo say ni ska e de abaga na emfa mobile money bank account ana say zipay ukọ app store na say play store na kwa download tap send bisa promo code about the party fashion nencho bonus enkan wa ye nto hwe meso so ba so fa comment eto ase so share nko to afro say ne obi ate etimaka video ebi mi didi abuna o so mo fama kram ye besen share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo say ni ska ba ne de awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap send nka
no so ne de
tap send ye easy fast and secured way ubetimi asend sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne say wonko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma the pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esan say tap send at the good news aba tap send the gene customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo ubetimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase uba o my Ghana mu what me use sika e wo wallet no no tia
and you said to say you use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepe se see tap send that trainer shame kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no